is the most important word that comes to my mind when I thought about Ingenium, because it gives you the opportunity to connect with a lot of people from 9 different universities, and it's wonderful.
A great opportunity to meet new people, new mentalities, new mindsets. It's an opportunity to broaden your horizon and to learn new stuff from new people, and I think this is great. There is nothing greater than just connecting with different people and learn something new every day. I think it's great that we all gather here. This means that we are all interested in helping the world to be a better place, and this gives me hope and faith in humanity and in young people, students like me that want to do something to improve the future, our future.
Have been through workshops and different activities that have already broadened our experiences. We've got the chance to see how much human activities have impacted the whole climate and the atmosphere. We've seen how record high ratios of CO2 or methane gas are already in the atmosphere, when we can see a lot of the consequences, the negative consequences on the people, the nature. I think the fact that we can connect with each other from all this university and different backgrounds, that's a very valuable fact, because working in different teams, and we already can see perspectives matter when we come up with a solution. How approaching a problem from different sides can lead to way better results than rather focus on maybe just the technical aspects.
Came with a single perspective on the problems with this climate change, but now I have seen it from a broader perspective. Learning from the different professors, thinking from the way they are thinking, like they challenge you to bring the best from yourself. So I think that's what I'll take from this program.